Friends, do you know the meaning of these 5 English words? Ichthyology, unbridled, dogmatic, galvanometer and ostracize. क्या जानते हैं आप इनके meanings? If you know the meanings of these words, I can tell you 1000% that you have a very, very good vocabulary. But if you don't know the meaning of these English words, I can also tell you 1000% that after watching this video and the memory technique that I am going to teach you in this video, you will be able to memorize these words forever. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a memory technique using which you can learn any English word very, very fast. You can improve your vocabulary very, very fast, and you can keep the meanings in your mind of those words forever. That's my promise. My name is Professor Ved, and I make videos that will 100% make you more smart and more successful in life. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, let's go forward. Okay friends, so I'm going to teach you a memory technique today which I teach in my very, very powerful super memory course. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we are going to learn a memory technique using which we will memorize the meaning of the words ichthyology, unbridled, dogmatic, galvanometer and ostracize. Alright, so let's go and have a look how it is done. So ये रहे आपके words ichthyology, the study of fish, unbridled, uncontrolled, galvanometer मतलब an instrument that measures electric current, dogmatic मतलब inflexible और rigid, ostracize मतलब banish from society. देखिए मैं आपको टेक्निक बताता हूँ. टेक्निक ये करेंगे हम कि ये जो दोनों पेयर ऑफ जो वर्ड्स है ना, जो वर्ड है और उसका जो मीनिंग है, उसको मिला करके हम एक इमेज बनाएंगे और उस इमेज में एक्शन होगा. और मैं ये इमेज एंड एक्शन आई विल पुट इन योर ब्रेन. I'll put into your long-term memory. What we are going to do is that we are going to visualize one image where there will be some action. You want to see? Let's take an example. So the first word is ichthyology, which means the study of fish. What we have to do is that we have to take this ichthyology and try to break it down into a group of objects. And using those group of objects, we are going to make one image. देखते हैं. इक्थियोलॉजी से मैं पहला जो ले लूंगा ये वाला लग रहा है इच जैसा. ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक फ्रॉम इक, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इच. थियो it is looking like a thigh. Okay, it is looking like a thigh. Itch, thigh, and then the study of fish. So I will take fish from here. Now itch in the thigh of fish. So you have to imagine that there is a fish. Okay, एक फिश है जिसके थाई में इचिंग हो रहा है और वो फिश अपने इच को रिलीव कर रहा है. ये इमेज आप अपने माइंड में देखिए. ओके, आई नो इट्स नॉट क्लासिक, ये क्लासिक इमेज नहीं है, बट इट विल वर्क लाइक अ मैजिक जब आपको इक्थियोलॉजी जैसे वर्ड का मीनिंग याद रखना है. तो इच इन द थाई ऑफ अ फिश. और दूसरा जो ट्रिक होता है ना, लॉजी तो हमें पता ही है ना भाई, बायोलॉजी, जियोलॉजी, जूलॉजी, ये पढ़ाई होती है. तो जो भी है ये किसी चीज की पढ़ाई है. किस चीज की पढ़ाई है? अब अचानक से आपके माइंड में व्हाट विल कम? फिश विल कम. इट्स अ स्टडी ऑफ फिश, एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो इक्थियोलॉजी, you have to visualize there is a fish and fish is trying to relieve its itching in its thigh. ठीक है, ichthyology. बस यही वाला ट्रिक है और एवरी पेयर के लिए हम ऐसा ही एक इमेज अपने माइंड में प्लांट करेंगे. ऑलराइट, लेट्स प्लांट अनदर इमेज. Unbridled means uncontrolled. Okay, what we will do, we'll take from this, find out what is the word which we can take. I found one. So brid, say I have taken bride. Bride means dulhan, the wife. Okay, and un means, this is funny. Un means that the dulhan has gone home to her parents' place. बीवी मायके चली गई है. बीवी मायके चली गई है. तो जो इंसान है वो पागल हो गया, अनकंट्रोल्ड हो गया है, क्रेजी हो गया है, दिन भर क्रिकेट देखता है, लाउड म्यूजिक सुनता है, बियर पीता है, कुछ काम नहीं करता. ओके, अनकंट्रोल्ड. So imagine a person who has gone completely crazy because his wife is not there to control him. Okay, that's it. That is the image. Let us see the third image. Galvanometer. Now this is a difficult one, but we will find. You will see how it will work. Galvanometer means an instrument that measures electric current. See, meter का मतलब ही होता है something to measure. So that's okay. So measuring part is done. What we now need to know is that ये electric current से galvano को कैसे relate करेंगे. तो gal से तो girl आ गया. ओके, और वैन से क्या आ गया? वैन तो पता ही है हमें. तो गर्ल इज ट्राइंग टू ड्राइव अ वैन. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, बट ठीक है. गर्ल plus van. Girl is driving a van and then I have to relate it with electric current somehow. बस हो गया काम. So girl is trying to drive a van और क्या किया girl ने, जैसे ही वो steering wheel को girl ने छुआ ना, when she is driving, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जोर से लगा और गर्ल के जो सारे हेयर्स, तो ऑल द हेयर्स ऑफ द गर्ल, राइट, इट एकदम बिकेम स्ट्रेट. ओके, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के साथ वही होता है ना, सारे हेयर्स एकदम स्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, खड़े हो जाते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो गर्ल in a van was trying to drive the van. The moment she touched the steering wheel, she got an electric current and then all her hair goes into up. Yeah, goes up straight. Okay, so now galvanometer, ये image अगर आपने plan कर लिया, planned, if you have done it in your mind, it is done forever. Similarly, dogmatic is inflexible, rigid. Let me give you a trick here also. There is a word called dog, and there is a word called mat, and then there is a word called rigid. Okay, now we are going to put it into a story. So there is a dog which is sleeping on a mat. Dog is sleeping on a mat, and no matter what we are doing, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं ना, dog एकदम rigid, सीधा, एकदम पैर इधर और बीच में जो है dog लेटा हुआ है. My drawing is not good, so I can't draw the dog, but you know, you can imagine there is a dog here, and the dog is just एकदम rigid. Dog is absolutely sleeping. कुछ इधर से उधर टस से मस नहीं हो रहा है. So it is inflexible, it is rigid, dogmatic. Ostracize is banished from society. So from ostracize, I'll take the word called ostrich, and then ostrich, and then I'll say banish from society. So the image that I want to put in your mind is that there is an ostrich which came near a village. All the villagers didn't like the ostrich. So what they did, they chased the ostrich into the jungle. Banish from society. भगा दिया उसको, banish कर दिया उस ostrich को. तो ostracize मतलब banish from society. ठीक है, तो image पे ध्यान रखें. Itch is relieving its, fish is relieving its itch. Husband whose wife has gone, her home is gone uncontrolled. A girl who is trying to drive a van touches steering wheel and she gets electric current. Dog which is sleeping on a mat, very straight, ekdam total rigid, and an ostrich that is being driven away into the jungle. So these are the 5 images which should remind you the meaning of ichthyology, unbridled, galvanometer, dogmatic, and ostracize. Okay, so that is how it is done. In my super memory course, I give so much exercise that it becomes a second nature of students. ये second nature बन जाता है कि नया word देखा और फटाफट ये टेक्निक लगाया और meaning आपके mind में forever. Right? So this works 100%. So please use this memory technique to learn any new words in English. All right? All the best. Bye-bye.